Started a tax return in TurboTax that you no longer need and want to clean up your account? If you're worried about accidentally deleting the wrong thing, you're not alone. Today, we're safely deleting a saved TurboTax return. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. You can remove old, unused returns from your TurboTax account to reduce clutter, but you should always be certain you won't need the information again. The location: your tax home. Log into your TurboTax account online. From the main dashboard, your tax home, you should see a list of your current and prior year returns. Find the return you want to delete. The action: look for, delete, or remove. Hover over or click on the return you wish to delete. You should see an option to delete return, remove, or a trash can icon. TurboTax will ask you to confirm this action, as it is permanent. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: download a PDF first. Before you delete any tax return, always download and save a full PDF copy to a secure location on your computer. You never know when you might need to reference it for a loan, to prepare an amended return, or just for your records. Once deleted, it's gone for good. So, just like that, you can keep your TurboTax account organized without losing important data. Smart record keeping goes a long way in financial management. Now I'm curious, how many old tax returns do you typically keep saved in your TurboTax account? Do you clean them up annually? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.